Hi there and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get any paid course from Skillshare completely free without spending any single penny. So as you may know, Skillshare is a paid platform where you have to pay a monthly fee or a annual fee to use their platform and to learn from their expert teachers. But as I am a premium member on their website, I have this option. As you can see here, give your friends 2 free months of Skillshare Premium and earn free months when they sign up. So I'm actually going to attach the invitation link to join Skillshare into the video description for you, so that whenever you are going to sign up, you are going to get 2 free months of Skillshare Premium. So your first 2 months will be completely free, although you have to attach your payment details as their paid platform, but you are not going to pay them anything. All right, and along with your 2 month free premium membership, I am actually going to earn an extra month to use their premium package completely free. So that's the benefit for me as well. All right, and now let me show you how you can use their platform to get and learn any course. So for example, if you are interested to learn about, let's say, Adobe Photoshop, so let me put here Adobe, and you'll find all of these tools name, as you can see, Adobe Audition, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, or whatever skill that you want to develop. So I'm actually going to click on Adobe Photoshop as an example, and you are going to see like 2095 results available or courses available. So now I'm actually going to click on premium, and they have like 2008 premium courses on their platform. So for example, let's say this course, okay, Adobe Photoshop CC Essential Training course. So if you are a complete beginner on Adobe Photoshop, then you are going to learn step by step from this guy, which has already 20,000 plus students enrolled in his course. And here Adobe Photoshop CC Advanced Training course. So in this exact platform, from same tutor or instructor, you are going to learn the basics of Photoshop and the advanced works of Photoshop. So this is a great thing, right? So if I just want to open his advanced Photoshop course, let me show you how many students he has and what is the review. So as you can see here, 6,616 students has enrolled in this course, and at this current moment 298 students are watching this class. All right, so if I just go to this review section, then you are going to see this review. As you can see, exceeded 83% of the course takers expectation was exceeded, and 17% found it perfectly described as it is described on the gig title, or actually let's say course title, or in the course description. All right, and there is nothing negative. So these are from premium or high quality or the expert tutors or instructors, and I don't think you want to miss these courses or miss this opportunity, because I'm actually giving you 2 free months of Skillshare Premium membership. So I believe this video will be helpful for you, and if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like and share this video to help others as well, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.